Competition rules of Alış. General regulations. Alış is national belt wrestling of the Kyrgyz people with the fixed capture for a belt. Both men and women take part in the struggle. In Alış, there is division in the freestyle. Technical actions with feet are permitted, and classic style. Technical actions with feet are prohibited. Historical roots of Alış belt wrestling go back into much further past. This kind of wrestling is considered to be one of the ancient sport games of Kyrgyz people. Wrestlers wear special either a blue or a green jackets, white trousers and red belts. In starting point, the head of the wrestlers is on the opponent's scapula. At the same time, she follows the movements of the opponent's legs under her arms. Wrestlers hold each other's belt by bending forward on his own lap section of the belt and left hand over the opponent's right hands. Wrestling is held only in standing position. The task of every wrestler is to try to pin the opponent down by holding her belt. Competition venue. Competitions on Alış belt wrestling are held on United World Wrestling approved mat of 12 to 12 meters. The mat is divided into 4 parts. Circle must be traced in the middle of the mat with an inside diameter of 1 meter and surrounding band 10 cm wide. Central surface of wrestling is inside part of the mat 7 meters of diameter. Passivity zone, orange band of 1 meter wide. Protection area 1.5 meter in width. Uniform. Competitor's uniform consists of white pants, special sports shirts of green and blue color, and red belt. The participant called on bout the first puts on a blue jacket, and the second participant green. The participants must be barefoot. No shoes are allowed in bout. A belt shall be 150-180 cm in length and 4-7 cm in width. The uniform should be made of thick cotton. Competition system. Competitions take place by direct elimination system with an ideal number of wrestlers: 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, etc. If there is no ideal number of wrestlers in a category, qualifications match will take place. The losers in the semifinals will receive each the bronze medal. The competition takes place in the following manner: qualification rounds, elimination rounds, finals. If there are less than 6 wrestlers in a weight category, the Nordic rounds will take place, each wrestler against each wrestler. Weight categories. The weight categories for Alış freestyle and classic style among seniors, men and women, are as follows. Men 20 years and older: 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and plus 100 kilograms. Women 20 years and older: 55, 60, 65, 70, 75 plus 75 kilograms. Bout. In competitions among seniors, men and women, bout consists of one period of 3 minutes. Bout take place only in standing position. Refereeing body for each bout shall consist of mat chairman, referee and judge. The referee, standing in the central circle in the middle of the mat, calls 2 wrestlers to his side. Then he shakes hands with them and examines their dress, checks that they are not covered with any greasy or sticky substance, verifies that they are not perspiring, and verifies that their hands are bare. The wrestlers greet each other, shake hands and get into position. When the referee announces Alış, they start the bout. In any other cases, the referee blows his whistle. When the bout has ended, match chairman announces winner and the referee raises his hand. Then wrestlers shake hands and leave mat. Types of victories. A bout may be won by fall, by injury, by 3 cautions given to the opponent during a bout, by a wrestler scoring 6 technical points, following a forfeit, by disqualification, by points. The winner is declared by the addition of the points at the ends of the regular time. The fall stops automatically the match whatever the time. The wrestler who first scores 6 points wins by technical superiority. A wrestler receiving 3 cautions during a match loses the bout. Third caution must be given unanimously by the refereeing body. In case of tie by points, the winner will be declared by successively considering the highest value of holds, latest hold or action, values assigned to the actions and holds. Net victory recorded in the score sheet as 5 is awarded for throwing an opponent on the back, counter action during which the opponent falls on his back. 2 points recorded in the score sheet as 2 are awarded in the case of an opponent threw to the side in a danger position. If the attacker touched the mat first during the execution with one or both knees without stopping and the defender fall in a danger position. In the case of blocking an opponent on his side in a danger position for a roll on the side less than 90 degrees, abdomen and pelvis. 1 point recorded in the score sheet as 1 is awarded for a roll on the knee or knees. No evaluation. If, during the move by the attacking wrestler, he falls on his own back or rolls over the mat with his shoulder blades, and then he attacked wrestler falls, then this technical action is not evaluated. In the case of blocking an opponent on the side in a danger position, violation recorded in the score sheet as V. In the classic style, a violation is given to the wrestler that tries for the first time to make a technical action using his legs or feet. Warning recorded in the score sheet as O is given in the case of repeated passive action of the match, if the attacker repeatedly violates rules and breaks the hold during the action. In the case of repeated actions escaping the mat. In the classic style, if the attacker repeatedly makes a throw using his legs and/or feet. Prohibited actions. The following holds and actions are illegal and strictly prohibited. The wrestler is forbidden to disengage the hold during the entire time of the match. In case the wrestler stretches the grip and, without releasing the grip, lean against his fist in the side or in the iliac hollow of the opponent. In the case that the wrestler lean his head against the chest of the opponent, this prevents the attacker from carrying out any technical actions. In the case that the wrestler lean his head against the chest of the opponent, passivity is the inactive conduct of a match, which the athlete only trying to prevent technical actions of his opponent.